Hello, Phala Network made a big announcement. Phat contract is live on mainnet, so let's go through what it means for Phala Network and also for Phala token holders. So Phat contract is an off-chain program running on Phala Network using which developers can effortlessly build and deploy blockchain dApps with multi-chain compatibility, and the coolest part is that dApp developers don't need to code these applications from scratch. How is that possible? Because Phat contract will provide developers with predefined building components that will allow them to effortlessly construct functional and efficient dApps very quickly. So this is it, the new Phat contract application. This is the app that Web3 dApp developers will be using to deploy dApps using Phat contract. Phat contract will bridge the gap between Web2 and Web3 space. Phat contract is Phala's highly anticipated developers solution that can be integrated across all EVM as well as all substrate-based blockchains in a completely trustless environment, exactly as we like it. There are four key features of Phat contract. The most significant one is the one I've already mentioned. It is the fact that no code experience will be needed to deploy Web3 applications using Phat contract. So by utilizing this blueprint solution, developers will be able to deploy applications without any coding experience. Hence, this will greatly improve application deployment speed. Phat contract will provide developers with two types of building blocks. The first one is predefined components, aka Phat bricks, and the other is customizable templates, aka blueprints. So these building blocks will enable very quickly construct functional, cutting-edge Web3 dApps. Phat contract is also multi-chain compatible. It supports all EVM chains such as Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, and also scaling L2s like ZK Sync and Starknet, and also all substrate-based chains. Phat contract also provides several customizable modules for dApp developing. For instance, this predefined blueprints module will be an ideal solution especially for developers beginners who will be able to build applications without the need for any programming skills. And lastly, Phat contract supports all conventional programming languages like JavaScript and Rust, so it's highly versatile and ready to start onboarding devs from Web 2. So the launch of Phat contract mainnet is such a monumental milestone for Phala because Phat contract will significantly facilitate and accelerate the development of dApps by enhancing deployment efficiency and speed. So Phala Network has delivered its flagship product as the team promised back in December 2021. Overall, I find Phala Network to be more oriented towards dApp builders, companies and institutions rather than end users, which however is not surprising as Phala's main use case is to serve as a decentralized cloud computing infrastructure that aims to be an alternative cloud service to Amazon's AWS or Google's cloud. Facilitation of building and deploying Web3 dApps is tremendously strong use case as it will attract skilled devs from Web 2, and with more experienced developers, new cutting-edge dApps will be built, which will eventually bring so much needed end users. And that's exactly why I'm very bullish on Phala long term. I love how tech-oriented and focused Phala team is. Since Phala Network provides the first decentralized off-chain compute infrastructure, it combines the best from both worlds by providing on-chain verification and security as well as off-chain capability and performance. There is no doubt Phala is one of the most technologically advanced parachains in the Polkadot eco, and I count Phala among my top 6 Polkadot-based projects along with Astar, Moonbeam, Remark, Invarch and Kilt. That's been it, see you next time.